I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to enable sites to try to run JavaScript in the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the vertical ellipses on the screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then tap Settings. The Settings menu is displayed. Step 4. Tap Site Settings in this menu. Site Settings options are shown. Step 5. Navigate down to the Content section and then tap JavaScript. A JavaScript menu opens. Step 6. Tap to toggle on JavaScript if it isn't turned on already. Sites you visit in the Google Chrome browser on your Android device will be allowed to try to run JavaScript. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.